Hi. So the tool that I chose was GeoGebra. It just has so many awesome features for a math classroom at pretty much any level. Maybe not little kids, but probably grade school and higher. So one very simple thing that it can do is it has a pretty intensive calculator. So some basic things. So I've had students, explore parent functions. So we put in the quadratic function and then what happens if I add 2? Or what happens if I subtract 5? So they can see what the different numbers would do to a parent function for all types of equations. There are also a bunch of classroom resources. So they have a whole bunch of different ready-made activities to explore different math topics. So like middle and high school math, and I'll just go to Algebra 1. Just picking random things here, but so here's a midpoint slider so they can see how the midpoint falls in the middle. A great thing about this is you can embed this directly into a Canvas assignment. So if you just click these 3 little dots and you click details and I want to share, you can get the embed code, and then in your Canvas assignment, if you just go to the HTML editor, you can paste that embed code and then it will be directly there. So students can play with it just straight in their assignment, which is great. They also have, let me go back to the start, a collaboration tool. So if you go to Classroom and you've set up a classroom, students can interact on the same math tools together, which is also pretty cool. You don't need accounts for the students or anything like that. You just would need accounts if you want to set up your classroom and use that. But if you're not looking to use that, then you can use the calculator for free, all of these resources. There's also more like professional development stuff to help you learn how to use GeoGebra better and ways you can integrate it into, right here, tutorials, sorry. Different tutorials, more resources. You can see what a cube looks like if you pull it apart. So there's just so many different things this system can do that would be great in any math classroom.